Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive deep into the features and functionalities of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady M7 gimbals. Both of these gimbals are designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience, but they come with different features and price points. The iSteady Mobile Plus is a budget-friendly option with solid stabilization capabilities, while the iSteady M7 offers advanced features like AI tracking and a detachable touchscreen remote. Let's explore what each gimbal has to offer and see which one might be the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is priced at $109, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M7 comes with a higher price tag of $299, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. For budget-conscious creators, the Mobile Plus offers great value, while the M7 targets users seeking more professional functionalities. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus includes essential features such as ultra-wide-angle mode and a magnetic fill light, which are great for casual videographers. On the other hand, the iSteady M7 boasts advanced capabilities like AI tracking, a detachable touchscreen remote, and a built-in extension rod, providing users with greater control and versatility in their shooting. This makes the M7 a better option for those who require more sophisticated filming techniques. In terms of battery life, the iSteady Mobile Plus offers an impressive duration of up to 13 hours, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. Meanwhile, the iSteady M7 has a slightly shorter battery life of up to 12 hours. While both gimbals provide ample battery life for most users, the Mobile Plus has a slight edge in this category, making it more suitable for long filming days. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady M7 have their unique strengths. The Mobile Plus is an excellent choice for budget-conscious creators looking for solid stabilization features, while the M7 is ideal for those who want advanced functionalities like AI tracking and a detachable remote. Depending on your needs and budget, either gimbal can enhance your videography experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.